change, I just love the feeling. No, I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause
Welcome back to another video. This is the 2006 Hyundai Tiburon automatic transmission, 4-cylinder. The reason I'm making this video because I did not see one on YouTube specifically for the 2006 Hyundai Tiburon automatic. So who's gonna make one? Nobody. I am gonna make one. So that's why stay tuned and see how we're gonna do this one. Okay, I always try to do my best to make it easy or to make it faster for my YouTuber. First, if you don't have a impact tool or air tool to take this stuff off, so before you raise the car up, don't take all them out, just loosen them up. Same thing with the middle one right here, and then raise the car up. It should be easier for you if you're using hand tool. If not, just go ahead, raise the car like I'm doing right now. I'm gonna raise it up and use my air tool and take everything out. And now it's up. Make sure it's secure everywhere and you got plenty of stuff in the bottom, that way it won't fall on you. What you need to do next is important. Make sure you remove your ABS sensor before you do anything. If not, it's going to rip the cable, and then gonna be another bill over there. And then after this ABS sensor, you need to move your brake caliper right here. In this case, I'm going to remove the whole housing. I'm just going to move this bolt right here and another on the bottom, and then I'm going to hang this up there, right there. So to remove the caliper, you need a 17mm right here, and then same thing up here as well. Hope you can see it right here, 17mm, and then 19 over here. Let me make sure. Yes, it is 19 over here. I wish you got this tool in your hand over there. This is that Tech Life over here. That's the case. It was $40, I think. It's because it fits very good my stuff. I always use this one. It never lets me down. But if I use the silver one like this, they always lose that a lot of play. But these guys over here, man, I love it. And finally, everything moved out of the way except the cotter pin right here. Make sure you got a needle nose plier. Remove it out of the way. Finally, after the cotter pin, and then get you a 32mm socket right there. This is a lot better than the other ones. It's not much play, very little. Also with the Tech Life hex key set, I'm going to use the 532. It says 532. I don't know what that means. Maybe it's 5mm and then 32, whatever. Okay, after remove that, put your hex bolt back over here. That way you don't lose it. Alright, now it's time to remove the steering knuckle. It's a 17mm socket or wrench over here, and then of course 19 over there with some extension if you can, and use whatever tool you got, air or hand tool, whatever. So before I continue, I usually try to make it easy on me or on other. I will try not to remove the steering sway bar, and then None of this, even the lower ball joint. I'm not going to remove none of those. Only thing I'm going to do, I'm going to tune the wheel out this way, like you going to the left. That way it will tune the angle the inside and then outside like this. And the CV axle should go inside like that and then pop out. Okay, after you remove this out of the strut, now what left to do is to pop this one in with some rubber hammer or tune this wheel towards me, and then we can push this in and should pop out. After you pop this one out of the hub over here, and then what you want to do is not to pull on it yet. Try to pry it out from that transmission over there, right there, the back, all the way back there. That way you don't have to do double job. But if you have to, you might have to remove some first over here and then find some kind of slide hammer to pull it out. But first do this, it'll be easier. Alright, I hope you see that one coming out. It was hard to focus the camera. Alright, here she is. She's very old. So like that, it looks really bad. The old one and the new one, comparing matching before you install it, which might it's so far it looks better, it looks the same, everything, same link, same teeth, same everything. Before you installing your new one, take a good look at the inside of yours. As I can see my right now, do your best to install it like that. Do not use any grease, because in other words, the grease going inside your transmission fluid and it's gonna be no good. So to push this back in there, do it very slowly and carefully, straight as you can. That way it will slide in that lip in there and kind of wiggle it just a very little until it goes in there, and little by little push it in until it clicks. If it clicks, then it's locked in. This time I'm going to do a time lapse in a different point, just in case you didn't see how it come out, and now you can see how to go in. I'm going to put the camera on the other side. Let me get you a little closer right there. See that? Barely enough space between the transmission. And then pull on it. Make sure it does not come out like this. That means it's sealed in place. So that's on there. This is my flashlight and everything else over here. And now we gotta put this back in here. And this shouldn't be too hard. Hope not. In this case, I'm going to end up taking out the sway bar right here. I don't want to damage the boots over here. Trying to bend it in here, so it should be better to move it in the beginning. That way you got more room in there as well. As of right now, I'm still gonna remove it because I don't want to damage anything right here. Okay, that should do it at the moment. Let's put it back together and then torque that one down, and then the other lug nuts. Oh boy, it would be a lot easier if I took the color apart separate way in the beginning. I wouldn't have this hard time right now. It's not worth to leave it on there. Alright guys, mistake of today. One, I had to remove the sway bar apart for me to slide in easy. It would have go in, but I don't want to damage it. Second mistake, it'd be a lot easier to move the caliper from this one before everything. As of right now, I had to end up moving it apart and then do it. So, the learning day to day. Man, this is a lot easier. That was a headache. Now just see how easy is this one. Just slide it in there and screw it. I mean, screw it, yeah. See that? 1 minute. Everything back in place right now, except this one right here. This one, if you don't have an air impact tool or something powerful, you may have to end up cutting this one and this one right here and over here, because it will not go in. But with the air tool, it will go in, but with a lot of force. So it's on right now. In the process of that one going in, it's gonna eat the thread up over here while time is going in. But since it's a one-time use, inside the thread over here, it should be good, except from here and out. Now the wheel is ready to go back in, and don't forget, after this one we got to tap it up with the transmission fluid, because in this case I lost a lot. Alright, let me wrap everything up and then a test drive, and then I will be back in next 5 days. That's when the correct result should be. Since 2021 and now it is 2023, so this car over here is back to me for a noisy brake all the time. So I installed that drive shaft or drive axle over there. As you've seen, it wasn't easy. There's nothing easy. If it was easy life, it'd be perfect. So as I did try to show you some of the difficult time. I'm trying to put that drive axle in there, like the way I tried to put it one time and it did not go in, and then I do it like the way, but it finally went in there. It's because it needs a space and room to adjust it in there. But after everything done, it's finished, and then I didn't have no time to finish the video. The lady come and got her car. She said she needs the car, so I didn't have no time to finish this video. But in the beginning, then I thought it was making some kind of noise after the test drive, but she took it anyway. Until now, she's saying that it is running perfect. So if she's happy, I'm happy, right? So well, I guess that's it for today, guys. I really appreciate for you sharing, liking, subscribing to my channel. I am very happy with you guys, and I love you too. When you subscribing to my channel, that means you wanna be part of my family, part of this channel. That means a lot to me. Once again, guys, thank you very much for your support, for everything you do over here. Until next video, bye bye.